Voila, so you'll notice that the biga will be ready when is no flour on the bottom. Did you see? No flour. And when you have this texture of the biga. Come to the best pizza channel. Hello guys, one moment please. Okay, how are you guys today? Thank you so much for being here and visit my channel. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe because this channel is for pizza lovers and pizza addicted. So here you're going to find all the pizzas video, very easy, simple to make, very everything about pizza. So just check out my channel and go ahead and subscribe. Here we go. We got just 3 ingredients: water, yeast, and flour. Today I'm going to show you how to make the biga. A very simple video and a very easy way to make, and especially very good for beginners to understand. So let's go ahead and let's get in deep in this video how to make the biga for beginners. So here is what you need. So we're gonna go ahead and scale 600 grams of flour. 00 flour or type 1 flour, whatever you want to use, it's good. So don't worry about the flour. I always use 00 flour, and then I do my modification when I make the actual dough. Here we go. 600 grams of flour. Now into the flour we're gonna add the 3 grams of dry yeast. Voila. Now we just mix it up a little bit with your hands. Okay, now that we put the flour, the yeast in the flour, we're gonna go ahead. Let's go ahead and let's add the 300 milliliters of water. So just like that into the flour. 200 and 300. Voila. And now is the time to mix it up. Okay, now with a spatula, let's go ahead and let's do this. Voila. We're gonna mix it up, everything. This way. Do this until all this flour here around is all together. So you don't need to make the dough because actually you don't want to make the dough. You want to just put the ingredients all together. And this is the typical thing of the biga. You don't want to create the gluten. Voila, because you create the gluten. So this is how it needs to be look like. Yeah, so you can go by hands if you want to. Just like that. Which I prefer to go by hands. It's more easy and quick. Just go, keep doing this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you'll notice that the biga will be perfect. Voila, so you'll notice that the biga will be ready when is no flour on the bottom. Did you see? No flour. And when you have this texture of the biga. And this is the texture how it's supposed to be. This pre-fermented dough. Voila. Okay guys, that's it. Voila. Now we close it right away. We keep it 30 minutes at room temperature and then in the fridge from 24 hours to 48 hours. Very important to not pass the 48 hours, otherwise the dough will become too acid, the biga, because it's a pre-fermented. This method here is perfect if you want the texture more fragrant, more puffy especially, and more soft. You know, when you have that soft and crunchy like my texture of the pizza, like my pizzas. So this is the way to go. Hopefully this video was very helpful for you, and guys, please check out link in description for the full recipe of this dough, of this process. So now at this point we keep it again because it's important. I repeat, 30 minutes at room temperature and then we put it in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours. Okay, thank you so much guys, and don't forget, share and subscribe. It's totally free. Ciao from Maestro Iacopelli. Every week, new video. Ciao.
Alla gloria militar, cherubin alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.